Chitana, Mahrutman, the ladies, Orlando Pirates have made serious money. Last season, the Pirates won 2 trophies. The Pirates won Nedbank Cup and MTN8. They made 15 million. But this season, the Pirates yenze imali egrot. It double. Pirates this season only lifted 1 trophy, which is MTN8. Orlando Pirates also made 2.5 million for losing in Nedbank Cup final. CAF is serious money. Because of the Champions League, Orlando Pirates have made 32.5 million rands. Mali ende leyo jo, mali grot. First, it was the MTN8 title on 5 October 2024. Pirates yashaya Stellenbosch 3-1 MTN8 final. MTN8 final means 8 million rands in the bag. Cela singalibali usupport ichannel bafethu nje nishaye ulike apha ezantsi okanye nishaye subscribe. YouTube akafuna abantu ababukela nje funeka bekhona into oyenzayo bhuti. I-80% abantu bayayincanywa le channel bayibukela every week but kuse umuntu acofa subscribe okanye kuse alike. Bekhona oyenzayo bhuti ungabukeli nje cofa nje into zabelungu man. Watch bafethu. Very soon Orlando Pirates kickstarted the CAF Champions League campaign. The Pirates went all the way to the semi-finals. According to CAF prize money, Orlando Pirates is semi-finalist zenza $1.2 million US. Mawuhlanganisa lo mali to rands, that is 22 million rand. If football sayaz bafethu, especially for big clubs, it's all about the pride, the history and the prestige. But financially, finance ibalulekile inyungu football. The football club funeka ibe healthy bank balance. Rands and the money, big money in football is not just for immediate success, but it helps to build a long-term success, growth the club and sustainability. Number 1, imali ikwenza ube more competitive as a football club. Player transfers, you have more money to sign the best talent available. Big players, big stars demand a high salary, so as a club you can be able to meet those expectations. 2, financial sustainability. It costs a lot to run a stadium, training facilities, traveling, no staff, so getting millions from the competition helps the club be comfortable financially. Number 3, brand and commercial value iyakhula even more. Xa sithetha ngalo sithetha nge-sponsorship deals. So while it's a trophy brought in millions of rands, okanye finishing 3rd with CAF Champions League brings millions of rands, that creates even more millions. How? It's sponsorship deals. Orlando Pirates is sponsors. Orlando Pirates will be playing in the CAF Champions League again next season. And Orlando Pirates will attract more interest in South African football. Abantu bazofuna ubukela Orlando Pirates next season. That means sponsorships zafuna uzassociate and Orlando Pirates zafuna ukwenza deals on Orlando Pirates so that say brands zazo zaba exposed to like a large audience. Orlando Pirates izafuna ubukelwa millions zabantu guaranteed next season because of his success this season. So more millions and sponsorship deals are going to come in for Orlando Pirates. Financial success also help the club to reinvest inside the football club. You can fund youth academy, which means a club can be able to produce future stars. You can also invest in infrastructure a club. What does that mean? You can improve Ilaway training. You can also invest in infrastructure. Orlando Pirates also is going to merchandise sales. Orlando Pirates, as customary for every new season, Orlando Pirates will release a new kit with Adidas if Adidas gonna keep the deal. Who knows, Orlando Pirates might sign a new deal with a new technical sponsor. But should by signing Adidas, obviously will design a new kit and it demand a kit is over high. Abantu bazothenga. Orlando Pirates are gonna make more sales next season for a new kit because of the success the club has created over the past season. MTN8 champions, At the same time, yaba yi-third Africa, and Orlando Pirates gonna return to Africa. That means the jersey sales next season is on Raisa even more. So yeah, Orlando Pirates might have not won the Betway Premiership. They might have not won the CAF Champions League, but financially, it was a very good season. 32.5 million in the bag. Cela malibali support channel bafini shaye ulike apha ezantsi okanye if eqala udibana channel ungalahli ngaphosozi wezi grand ushaye subscribe apha ezantsi moja bafethu.